Here we have our FeePod starter pack. These ones will generally come in one of these little Crema boxes, which are 100% recyclable. They may also come in boxes donated by our local community that we then use to send out our orders.
This pack comes with everything you need to get started.
Little instruction manual. You get one reusable capsule. So these ones have a premium quality stainless steel base, a silicone cover, and a silicone ring under the rim of the capsule.
Unlike a fully stainless steel lid, this design is really gentle on the interior mechanics of your machine. Our design utilises a silicone lid rather than stainless steel. This is because during our testing we found that the stainless steel lid design can contribute to jamming in various machines, and unfortunately the steel lids just can't replicate the Crema that a pod with a silicone lid produces.
The great thing about the silicone components is that they are BPA free from nasty toxic chemicals that leach from plastics. So this little ring here is great because it gives you the flexibility to be able to brew the capsule in a wide variety of machines without risking any damage to your machine. It sort of acts as buffering between the capsule and the brewing chamber of your specific pod machine. It just helps the capsule to fit snug, to fit nicely, and to hold it in place during extraction.
There is minimal plastic in this pack. The paper filters are the only component that require any plastic packaging. So this is ideal for food safety. However, we are working with our manufacturer on alternate options for the future.
These paper filters are excellent. They're an optional addition to the pod during brewing that essentially increase the pressure buildup within the pod. So if you're wanting a more intense espresso, then often we'd suggest a paper filter be inserted along with your coffee grinds. They also can be really handy if you're finding that some grinds are ending up in your brew. So popping a paper filter in just helps to alleviate that if the grinds that you choose are causing that particular problem. So just handy to have on hand. Yeah, aren't essential. It's more of having a play brewing with and without and seeing what you prefer. We have a scoop to just help with the filling of the capsule, and then a spare O-ring. FeePod, they're a really good reusable option for K-fee, Aldi, Caffitaly, an excellent reusable pod for those machines.